And now the final question in JAMB 2022, question 40. We're asked to factorize 6 raised to the power of 2m plus 1 plus 7 into 6 raised to the power m minus 5. Now this brings us to indices. Okay, if we have x raised to the power of a multiplied by x raised to the power of b, it will also be x raised to the power of a plus b. So if we call this a and if we call this b, and this in its sense, that 6 is standing as x. So let's apply what we have here to the first term. So this will result into 6 raised to the power 2m multiplied by 6 raised to the power of 1 plus 7 6 raised to the power m minus 5. Similarly, in indices, we have what we call the power law, where we have x raised to the power a raised to the power of b is x raised to the power ab. So if we call this a and we call this b, so if you come here and apply this to the second line, we can go further and say this is 6 raised to the power of m or raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 6 raised to the power of 1 plus 7 6 raised to the power of m minus 5. Now let 6 raised to the power of m be equals to x, because we want to try and reduce this to a quadratic equation. So reducing this to a quadratic equation, wherever we see 6 raised to the power m, we change it to x, so this becomes x squared multiplied by 6 plus 7 into x minus 5. So this becomes 6x squared plus 7x minus 5. Now let's factorize 6x squared plus 7x minus 5, and this will give us 6x squared minus 3x plus 10x minus 5. So factorizing with 3x, we will have 2x minus 1 plus 5, we will have 2x minus 1, and this will result into 3x plus 5 into 2x minus 1. Now what's next to do? If you look at the option, we'll have 3 into 6 raised to the power m plus 5 and 2 into 6 raised to the power m minus 1 and the likes. All they did was to change x back to 6 raised to the power of m. So anywhere they saw x, they placed it with 6 raised to the power of m. So anywhere I see x, I put 6 raised to the power of m plus 5. Okay, into 2, anywhere I see x, I put 6 raised to the power of m minus 1. So we can see now that 6 raised to the power of 2m plus 1 plus 7 into 6 raised to the power of m minus 5 can be written as 3 into 6 raised to the power of m plus 5 into 2 into 6 raised to the power of m minus 1, which is equivalent to option A.